Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing Legend's BaseAir cargo van floor for Ford Transit vans. Let's get into it. All right, I'm excited about this unboxing because this is a brand new product from Legend and it has some pretty cool features with it. But before we open this box, number one, I'm gonna show you how big this is. This is a pretty big box. You know, we got a wingspan of 6 feet by maybe 4.5 feet. That way, because this is so big, it does have to ship via LTL freight carrier, so it's gonna be strapped to a pallet. So a little bit longer time in transit if you're ordering this and having it shipped to your business or your home. But a lot of times with LTL shipments, there's a lot less damage and things like that. So it takes a little bit longer, but you're gonna get it in a good condition. Another thing I wanna show you on this package before I get into it, get this into view. As you can see, there's a QR code right here. It's printed on the box on this one. Sometimes it's a sticker. Scan that with your phone. You're gonna get the installation instructions. There's not gonna be anything inside the box. If they put a guide inside the box, it would just get shredded by the product. Now, this is a floor. Legend. They are known for their cargo van floors. They make the top of the line cargo van floor. It's called the StabiliGrip. It's a rigid, solid floor. It's like almost a 1/2 inch thick, super grippy, retains its grip even when wet. It's kind of the premium floor that you can get for your cargo van. And so they came out with this product called the BaseAir, which is a little bit lighter. If you need a lighter duty floor, this is gonna be a good option for you. A little bit thinner, but you still get a lot of the benefits that you get from a rigid floor. They also make a product called the Automat Bar, which is a rubber floor. And the downside of rubber floors is the cargo vans, they kind of have ribbing in the floor. So if you have a flexible floor, you kind of feel that ribbing in the floor. Some people don't care, not a big deal, and that's fine. You can get a low-cost floor that's rubber or plastic material or something like that, that'll work for you. But if you're worried about tripping over things or you need to roll in a cart or something like that, you wanna go with a rigid floor. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box. Now, one of the biggest things I noticed getting this out of the box is number one, that I could actually lift this up onto the workbench to show you. The StabiliGrip floor for the Ford Transit is over 100 pounds. Now this is for the 148-inch regular wheelbase. So it's actually this van behind me. It's not the extended length, which gives you a little bit more van over the rear of the rear axle. It's just the regular 148. And so it's a little bit shorter than the longest one that they offer for the Transit. But here's the coolest thing about this product. Just fold it open and it's still connected. One piece, whole floor. It's gonna be way out of camera view here. So front to back, one solid piece. There's no connector pieces you're gonna trip over or anything like that. So really cool, kind of an innovation from Legend. Because a lot of times if you want to do a one-piece floor, it was gonna be super expensive. So if you're like a OEM like Ford and you wanna buy 10,000 of them, you can ship them via a freight carrier or something like that. But if you just need this for like 1 or 10 vans, there's no way you're gonna ship a full-length van piece of equipment for cheaper really than the product. And so it's a cool innovation. They put a score on the back of this product, so it just easily unfolds. Looks like there's actually 2 score lines, so you don't get too much of a bend in the floor. Now, when we look at the actual material itself, on the top, we still have a textured, tactile, grippy surface. On the bottom, not that it's that big of a deal, it is just a smooth black finish. Now the actual material itself, put some calipers on here. Got it in millimeters. For now, you're sitting at 10.3 or 10.1 millimeters. Switch that to inches. We are sitting at 0.4 inches. 0.4 inches, so still pretty thick considering. But this does have, I can kind of get this in camera view. You can kind of see, I don't know if it's a honeycomb type of material or something like that. It's not a solid material there. So it reminds me a little bit of their liners, but just a super thick and beefy version of their liners. So you're gonna have a layer of plastic, you're gonna have all of this corrugated material essentially in the middle, then another layer of plastic on the top / bottom. Another thing I want to point out here that I'm noticing is we do have a little punch out. Let's see if I can get that. We have a punch out right here. It's going to be for the rear in the van. On the Ford Transit, there is a location to lower your emergency tire, your spare tire. So they have a cutout for that. Now, another thing that was in the box that I set aside is our sills, our door sills. These are going to sit at the side and rear door. I believe this is the rear door sill. It just kind of snaps on to the piece. It gives you a nice transition. It's going to keep you from chipping away at this material as you're coming in and out of the van. You're not going to trip over it, things like that. So it's primarily to protect the flooring itself from deteriorating too quickly. It also has a little bit of a milling on here to give you a nice grippy surface. Then we have one for the side door as well, and that is included with this floor. Now, as you can see on this floor, it is kind of a laser cut or precise cut of the floor. It goes around your wheel wells, goes around your, I don't know if those are your C-pillars or what, right here on the side. So it's precision cut for your specific van. So a couple of things that means. Number one is make sure you get your wheelbase correct, as well as any other options that you may have. For example, for Transit, they do have dually, or two wheels per side in the rear of the van. That does affect the wheel wells and affects the cut of the floor. You wanna make sure you get that right. Also, if you have dual sliding doors versus single sliding doors, you've got 148-inch wheelbase standard or regular, and they've got the 148-inch extended, and then they also have the 130-inch wheelbase. And your ProMasters and Sprinters are basically the same way too, different wheelbase lengths and body length options as well. So you wanna make sure that you get all that correct when ordering your floor. So this is gonna be a nice, lower cost, but still solid option for getting a rigid floor in your van. Now, this is not gonna be as puncture resistant and as tough as your StabiliGrip. So if you're loading in pallets or really heavy or need something that's super durable, StabiliGrip is still gonna be the way to go. If you just need a super solid rigid floor, one-piece design, all of that, this BaseAir is gonna be a good product for you to go with for your van. Now, we are going to be installing this in our Ford Transit behind me in another video. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check it out. And if you're interested in this floor or any other flooring or equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, we've got what you need at upfit.com. Yeah, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.